The average person ignores how important this is for nerve communication and even focus and concentration. Most people don't realize that this can cause increased pain sensitivity. There's a hidden key to nerve healing. So simple, so powerful, yet ignored by nearly everyone. No, it's not a rare Amazonian herb, an expensive supplement, or some trendy diet. It's something you use every day, but probably not enough of. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll discover the one simple, inexpensive, yet life-altering factor that could be the missing piece to your nerve healing journey. Coming up. Welcome back, health warriors. Now, when people talk about nerve repair, they usually focus on the big hitters like diet, the right foods that can fuel recovery, or supplements because certain nutrients play a key role in nerve recovery, or even exercise because movement stimulates healing. And of course, sleep, because we all know deep rest promotes nerve regeneration. And while all of these are crucial, there's a missing foundation. So it's like trying to build a house without a solid base. No matter how great the structure, without this essential element, everything else starts to crumble. And that's the problem. Most people are ignoring it. Think about it. You could be eating the best diet, taking all the right supplements, and exercising like a pro, but if this one thing is off, your nerves could be screaming for help and you wouldn't even know why. So what is it? I'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about what happens when this missing key is neglected. Have you ever felt brain fog, sluggish nerves, numbness, tingling, or inexplicable nerve pain? And no matter what you've tried, from keto to carnivore, supplements, or detoxes, something still feels off. Well, this mystery factor plays a direct role in how well your nerves fire and communicate. It also plays a role in how efficiently your body removes toxins and inflammation, and how fast your nerve cells regenerate and repair. Your energy levels, mental alertness, and mood, as well as your ability to focus and maintain mental clarity, will all depend on this key ingredient. When you're deficient in this element, it's like your nerves are trapped in slow motion, struggling to heal, unable to transmit signals properly. And here's the scariest part. Most people are chronically low in it and never realize it. All right, health warriors, you've waited long enough. And what if I told you that this mystery factor, this one thing that could make or break your nerve healing, is something you've had access to all along? It's water. But not just any water. It's clean, structured, mineral-rich, pH balanced water. And you don't have to buy an expensive bottled water to achieve this. I know, water sounds way too basic, too simple to be the answer. But stay with me and let's look at why it's so important for nerve function and recovery. Your nerves work like tiny electrical wires, sending messages from your brain to the rest of your body. But these wires aren't floating in dry air. They're surrounded by fluids in your body. So just like a phone needs a strong signal to work, your nerves need plenty of water to help carry their messages properly. Without enough water, the signals can become weak or scrambled, leading to slow responses, pain, or numbness. Dehydration? Well, it's like trying to send an email with zero Wi-Fi. It's not going anywhere fast. Now, let's look at how dehydration is secretly wrecking your nerves. Lack of adequate water intake leads to sluggish electrical signals because nerves need hydration to transmit impulses fast and efficiently. You also end up with toxin accumulation. Part of water's job is to flush out inflammatory byproducts that damage nerves. Without enough water, the toxins build up and cause pain. Insufficient water also results in poor nutrient absorption, making it harder for your body to absorb nerve-healing nutrients like magnesium, potassium, R-alpha-lipoic acid, and all the rest of them. Dehydration also fuels chronic inflammation, slowing down nerve repair. Did you know when you don't drink enough water, you'll experience increased pain sensitivity? That's because dehydrated tissues are more prone to irritation and will amplify pain signals. Also, increased water intake decreases prostaglandins, a hormone-like substance involved in pain, fever, and inflammation. So drinking more water helps to decrease the pain signals by decreasing prostaglandin production. Water is essential for cellular energy production for the health of your mitochondria. Those are the organelles that provide invaluable fuel for your nerve cells. Even mild dehydration reduces mental clarity, alertness, and cognitive function, resulting in brain fog and forgetfulness. Studies have also linked dehydration to mood imbalances like increased anxiety, stress, and depression. So while everyone is busy debating which diet is best, most are unknowingly starving their nerves of the one thing they need the most: water. So let's talk about how to hydrate for nerve repair. Well, what you don't want to do is drink tap water. Tap water exposes you to harmful chemicals like chlorine, fluoride, heavy metals, and even traces of pharmaceutical drugs. These substances have significant negative effects on your nervous system. Chlorine, for example, is meant to kill bacteria, but it can also disrupt gut health and contribute to inflammation in the body. Fluoride, once hailed as a cavity fighter, has been linked to neurotoxicity in many studies. Heavy metals like lead and arsenic, which sometimes leach into water from old pipes, can accumulate in your system and interfere with nerve function. So what do? Filter your water. And here's a side note, health warriors. Pitcher filters like Brita or Pure are not going to do the trick. Their filter isn't sufficient enough. You need to invest in a high-quality water filtration system, and it doesn't have to break the bank either. There are now many affordable water filtration systems that you can buy online at Home Depot or Lowe's. You can use under-the-sink filter systems like reverse osmosis or a carbon block filter system, and both of these are excellent. But for me, my personal preference is the carbon block filter, and here's why. Reverse osmosis systems are so effective at removing contaminants that they also strip out alkalinizing minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium, leaving water more acidic. However, there are some RO systems that come with an optional remineralization stage where they add back the essential minerals. With carbon block systems, you keep these minerals in and end up with a more alkaline water. If you already have an RO system, there's no need to ditch it. Simply add liquid concentrated trace mineral drops like Concentrace to restore the lost minerals into your water. Systems I recommend are HydroVive, iSpring, and Springwell. Now that we've uncovered the truth, let's talk about how to fix this. What you need to do right now is drink more water, but the right kind. Aim for at least half your body weight in ounces daily. And use filtered, mineral-rich water, not just tap water. Hydrate first thing in the morning. Your body naturally gets dehydrated overnight, so drink 16 to 20 ounces of water first thing when you get out of bed to reset your nervous system. Avoid or limit dehydrators. Too much caffeine, alcohol, processed food, and excess salt pull water out of your system, leading to dehydration. Certain medications, especially diuretics, can also dehydrate you, so be mindful of your water intake. Now, let me address a couple of questions and reactions I usually get. The first one is, Doc, if I drink that much water, I'll be in the bathroom all day long. Yes, for the first few days, you might feel like you live in the bathroom, but trust me, your bladder will adjust, and soon you'll be peeing like a normal person again every 2 to 4 hours instead of every 20 minutes. The next comment I get is, yuck, I hate the taste of water. I get it. You want your drinks to taste like a tropical vacation, but let's be real. Water has no taste. It's not that you hate water, it's that you're addicted to the sugary drinks. So let's fix that. That's an easy obstacle to overcome. Simply infuse your water with berries, cucumbers, oranges, or the obvious, lemons and limes. Then you'll boost up your mineral and antioxidant content while hydrating your nerves. So what's the takeaway here? Health warriors, if you want faster nerve healing, less pain, and better function, start with the simplest, cheapest fix. Hydrate like your nerves depend upon it, because they do. If this made you rethink your hydration game, then smash that like button. Trust me, your nerves will thank you. Subscribe for more nerve healing secrets, because let's face it, you don't want to miss the next one. And hit that notification bell so that you know when our next new video comes out, because YouTube loves keeping good info hidden. And don't forget to drop your questions in the comments section. We love hearing from you guys. Until next time, health warriors, stay strong, stay hydrated, and keep those nerves firing on all cylinders. I look forward to seeing you on the road to great nerve health. Blessings. Let's go back. However, there are some RO systems that come with an optional Okay, let's try this again. Remineralization. Remineralization.